Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with another video in the Let's Niche Down series. So I am going to be doing these, excuse me, y'all. I'm going to be doing these videos because I enjoy taking a broad niche and finding a way to just get in and disrupt the entire niche with a new perspective. So that's what I'll be doing in these videos. Today, our keyword is, or our niche is birthday. So let's see what magic we can do with birthday, because as you guys know, these these birthday niches are something else. So I'm just gonna type in happy birthday. You know, we gotta start off with, let me spell it right? I'm gonna start with the word happy birthday. And we know that this is a high searched word, okay? Because there's someone's birthday every day of the year. I told you guys in the very first video some of the extensions I'm going to be using. And just off the back, 30,000 search results for the word birthday. I'm going to scroll down and then go to books and see what that looks like. See if it goes down just a little bit. And the birthday niche for books. So, it went up 60,000. So let's see what it looks like in clothing. And it's just a word. I didn't add any keywords to it yet. 7,000 in clothing. Okay, not bad. So we're going to go back to all and we're going to think about it. So I know the grandparents' birthday niche is probably high, but let's see different names for grandparents. So this is how you have to think. Like in cultures, everyone calls your grandparent a different name, right? So, okay, here's something. It says, that's a coupon site. Find the perfect grandmother name. Best. So maybe I should do different nicknames for grandparents. Let's see. Okay, here. So we have Baba, Gigi. Apparently that's in Ukrainian. Yaya, Papoose in Greece. Papush and Yaya. Oh, that's cute. Nana and Papa. Mima and Papa. Sata, Sabi. Jima and Jipa. Okay, so I do have a aunt who is a grandmother, and she's, they call her Nona. So let's see. Happy birthday, Nona. But that's just, look, happy birthday this, happy birthday that. So many different keywords. Happy birthday for a man, lawn topper. Happy birthday, Nona. And we're going to put t-shirt. Well, first, let's just do happy birthday, Nona in all departments. So far we see happy birthday Nona card, banner, mug. All right, so let's pay attention to that. Now we're just going to search for happy birthday Nona. 646 search results for the happy birthday Nona, right? And that's an all. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add happy birthday Nona t-shirt, and I'm going to leave it in all. Now let me tell y'all guys again, I am not doing any of this research beforehand. Okay, none whatsoever. You don't see these search results pop up at all. So happy birthday Nona t-shirt in all yields 1,000 search results. Okay, so that's a lot, but not too bad because it's still in all. So let's see what it looks like in clothing. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to stay about the same? We shall see. And of course, my computer wants to move slow today. It's like, you're working me. So I'm going to click clothing. And then we're going to search again for happy birthday Nona t-shirt. And it's still 1,000. So still not bad. It's still a really good niche to get into. But have you ever heard of someone having a grand aunt and a grand uncle? Well, they can have a grand grandma or a great grandma. So let's see if we can do grand Nona. Let's see if that is even possible in that word. Okay, so for grand Nona, it says 195. Now, that's not to say that the shirts are going to say Grand Nona, okay? But it's a good keyword, okay? So I want to change the Nona out real quick and put, well, let me try great Nona. Because that could go two ways. You know, I always say great grandma, and let's see, great Nona. Happy birthday, great Nona. Okay, 847. So these are like birthday shirts, not really like Nona. So I'm going to do great grandma and see, because I know it sounds the same as, you know, saying great grandma. So that's 1,000 search results. And it's just like a lot of things that say Nana, Grandma Shark, but none that really says like great grandma. So we're going to go back to, so the Nona t-shirt is something that you can get into. So Nona, let's look up Nona journal and let's go to all. So the main word here that we have been using so far is Nona, which also stands for grandma. So I'm going to look up Happy Birthday Nona Journal. And we have about 552. So it's still pretty good that you can use the word Nona and create something. So let's look. What's the other one? Gigi. So let's see what goes on with Papa. Okay. Happy birthday, Papa journal. Let's see what comes up under books. Well, under all. Because I didn't remember for Nona, I didn't do just books. So this is for all. 273 for Papa. These are birthday journals. Now we're going to go ahead and hit the book. I'm just going to close that out because I think we've done pretty good already with just that word and Nona from two different like versions of people, and it's still pretty, you know, pretty good where you can possibly get into that niche. So we're going to just search for books in the Papa, and it's 182. So again, I think you can definitely get into this niche and do a lot of stuff with different, you know, different words and phrases for grandparents. It does not have to be birthday. It could be something else. But I think you have some leg room here to do something, okay? So again, we did it again. By niching down, let's niche down. We took the word happy birthday. I thought about grandparents. I researched different names for grandparents. We looked up the word Nona, which means grandma. And then we also did a little research for Papa in the happy birthday grandparents niche. And we found when we started to niche down and get those specific names, we were able to find niches with less than 1,000 search results. And then some of them had less than 300. So by doing this method of niching down, you can get a little bit more specific and target a different type of person and be able to make some type of income. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying Let's Niche Down. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Bye.